I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make elderflower liqueur easy guide. Gather fresh elderflower heads. 1. 5 liters vodka or neutral spirit, 1 kg sugar, 1 liter water, citrus peel, and jars. Rinse flowers gently, remove any insects, bruise citrus peel, and sterilize jars and utensils so everything stays clean before you start the infusion and syrup steps. Begin by placing the flowers and vodka in a jar, making sure flowers are submerged and the jar is sealed tight. Leave the mix to macerate for 3 to 7 days and shake it gently each day to encourage extraction. Check aroma and taste so you can stop when the floral character is pleasant and not overpowering. Then strain carefully through a fine sieve and press gently to capture the infused spirit. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker and enjoy hands-free timers, music, and cozy background tunes while you steep and strain elderflower for perfect flavor. Check the description for the link and other deals, and use it to grab one if you like the sound. Then now let's get back to the video. Prepare a simple syrup by dissolving 1 kg sugar into 1 liter water and cool it completely. Slowly add syrup to the strained elderflower infusion and taste as you go to achieve the sweetness and floral balance you prefer. When blended, bottle the liqueur in sterilized bottles, label with contents and date, and let it rest a few weeks to harmonize flavors before serving or gifting to friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.